My name is Spencer Hobson, and welcome to the Reno Brewing Company property. This property was established in the Reno Brewing Company in 1902 and was the largest brewery in the state of Nevada up until the 50s. It's got a unique well here, which is a 65 acre-foot commercial vested well, which is slightly effervescent. One of the interesting things about the Reno Brewing Company was during Prohibition, they produced soda pop because of the effervescence of the water. That water is still in use today here on the property, which was designed and built by Frederick Delamchak. He designed the post office here in Reno, most of the courthouses here, the federal building that's here on the corner of Liberty and Virginia Street. So the building that we're in, that was built in 1940, was the largest single-span construction building in the state of Nevada, clear up into the 50s. My family got this piece of property in the 1950s, about 1954. In the year 2011 was used to build the Temple of Transition here, which had a karma and a presence about it that was unequal. I feel we brought Burning Man to Reno, Nevada. And this year, for 2017, we built the man here for Burning Man. And that was another with great karma and great engineers and people working on the property. One of the things that I would like to do at this property, since it's so unique, the bottling building here is 15,200 square feet, single span construction, and it has a roofing system on it of 2-inch by 8-inch tongue and groove, and we can put restaurant seating on the top of this. Some of the visions for our property here is a restaurant or multi-restaurant venue with breweries in it and a restaurant in it and commercial retail and some bottling works going on. The other vision into it, which is in the works, is a water company that wants to produce water in here and maybe help enhance other businesses that need bottling on this property. We are located basically at 900 East 4th Street, which is 2-block access to US 80 going east and west, and within a 1/4 of a mile of linking with US 395 for north and south.